Good morning, students, all of you. So, in our previous sessions, we discussed about the lines and angles, first exercise concept. That is nothing but we discussed about what is meant by parallel line, perpendicular line, intersecting lines, types of angles. That means acute, obtuse, right angle, straight angle, and complete angle. So, already those concepts we discussed in our grade 6 itself, isn't it? But just we recap all the concepts, and that is a concept of 4.1. Understand? Now, in the lines and angles concept, we are going to the next concept, that is nothing but about pair of angle. Pair of angles. So, in this pair of angles, today I am going to take the class about complementary angles. Okay. Complementary angles. So, everyone, please get ready with your notebook, maths textbook and maths classwork. So, as whenever it is explained, you can take the notes also. Clear? Now, so let me explain about what is meant by complementary angles. Now, already you learned what is meant by acute, obtuse, right angle, straight angle, reflex angle, and complete angle. Yes, you are very clear with this concept. What is in the acute, obtuse, right, straight, reflex angle, and complete angle. So, how we are saying, when we are saying this angle is an acute angle, if the measure of the angle is 0 lies between 0 to 90 degrees, then you used to say that it is an acute angle. Understand? When you are able to say this is an obtuse angle, when it is less than greater than 90 and less than 180 means when it lies between 90 to 180. Sorry. Okay. So we discussed about acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle, straight angle. So what is meant by obtuse angle? When angle means the measurement should be greater than 90, it should be less than 180. Then we are able to say that is an obtuse angle, isn't it? So these are all other types of angles, and here we are going to name the angle based on the measurement, isn't it, ma'am? For example, if the angle measures 20 degrees, how we are going to name that? It is nothing but acute angle, because here it lies between 0 to 90 degrees. It lies between 0 to 90 degrees. Are you able to understand? Are you able to hear my voice? Are you able to listen my voice clearly? Yes. Now, so according to the measurement, we are going to name the angle. Yes, according to the measurement, we are going to name the angle. For example, the angle measures exactly 180 degrees. What is the name of the angle? Straight angle. Understand? So, according to the measurement of an angle, we are going to name the angle that we discussed already in our previous session. Now, we are going to discuss about the pair of angles. Okay, what is mean by pair? Pair. It is nothing but two angles. Understand? So, now we are going to two angles. Clear? Now, so let us see when we say the two angles in the angles are complementary angles. What is the definition? So you have to take the notes also. So first of all, listen carefully. So complementary angles. What is mean by complementary angles? Complementary angles is nothing but the sum of two angles measures exactly 90 degrees, then the angles are said to be complementary angles. The angles are said to be complementary angles. Are you able to understand, everyone, what is meant by complementary angles? Complementary angles means nothing but when the sum of two angles measures exactly 90 degrees, means we have to take any two angles. But the sum, when we add, sum means what? Addition. So when we add, we should get compulsory the result as 90 degrees. Understand? Even we should not get more than 90, or else we should not get less than 90 also. When we are adding two angles, if we get exactly 90 degrees, the sum is equal to 90 degrees, then the angles are said to be complementary angles. Then the angles are said to be complementary angles. Everyone? Now, 50 and 40. This is one page. I was saying these both are complementary angles. So how we have to check whether these angles are complementary or not? Simple. We have to add those angles. Okay. For example, two angles. What is the sum of these two angles? Yes, 50 plus 40 is equal to 90 degrees. So the result is equal to 90, right? So that these phase comes under complementary angles. Are you able to understand? So let me take one more example. 110. Okay, 110. Whether these angles are complementary or not, what we have to do? We have to add those, not subtract. So you may get doubt. If we subtract 100 minus 10, we will get 90 degrees. But here we should supposed to add those angles. Clear now? So if we add 100 plus 10, the sum is equal to 110, not 90. Not 90. So that these angles are not said to be complementary angles. So that these angles are said to be not said to be complementary angles. Are you clear now? Yes. Now let me take. So now let us find what is a complement. For example, the complement of 80 degrees. Find the complement of 80 degrees. What is the complement of 80 degrees? Okay, what is the complement of 80 degrees? So, how we have to find the complement of 80 degrees? It is nothing but simple. So, when we are saying those are complementary angles, when two angles, if we add, then the result is 90 degrees, then we are going to set the complementary angles, right? But here, how many angles are given? Only one angle. How many angles are given? Only one measurement. 80 degrees was given. But one more we don't know, no? So what we have to do? We have to consider it as x. Any variable. Okay. One as 80 and one as x. Now, if we add these both angles, how much we should get? According to the definition, if we add any two angles, we should get compulsory 90. When we are adding two angles, the result should be compulsory 90 degrees. So 80 plus x equal to 90. What is the measurement of x now? We transpose 80. Already discussed this in simplification, right? So when we transpose 80, it will become subtraction. So 9 plus 80 equal minus 90 minus 80 x equal to 10. So what is the complement of 80? It is nothing but 10. In a simple way, we can also say that how many numbers if we add to the given number, we will get 90. For 80, if we add 10, then we will get 90. So that we will call as complement. Clear? Now, what is the complement? 80 20. So what is the complement of 70? 20. What is the complement of 20? 70. Clear. The complement of 10 is 80. I think so you understand very clearly about what is the complement of nothing but when the sum of two angles, is 90 degrees, then the angles is said to be complementary angles. Clear? Now, is it clear all of you? Shall we move to the exercise based on these concepts? Yes? Yes, okay. Now, so let us do the exercise problems related to this. Now we are going to solve the problems from exercise 2. Clear? Exercise 2. Now, so in exercise 2 in first bit you had 3 sums. So I was expecting first and third sum. Second one you have to do it as take it as homework. Clear? So now first one. Now what is the concept here? There was given two pairs of angles. We have to say whether these angles are complementary or not. Okay. Now what is the measurement here? First one 110 degrees. What is the first measurement? 110. Second measurement 30. Whether these pair of angles are complementary or not. So how we have to find what we call the definition. So what is the definition? When the sum of two angles is 90 degrees. When the sum of two angles is 90 degrees. So when we have added two angles, you get 90. So what is the measurement that was given? First one is 110 plus what is the second measurement? 30. 110 plus 30. How much? 140. 110 plus 30 how much? 140. Yeah. So the result is not equal to 90 degrees. The result is not equal to 90 degrees. So that the pair is not comes under complementary angles. The pair is not equal to complementary angles. Now next, let us check third question. What is the measurement here? 80. What is the measurement here? 10. Okay. If we add these both angles, check the result. What we are going to do. 80 plus 10. How much? 90. Yes, this is equal to 90. So that the 80 and 10 are complementary angles. 80 and 10 are complementary angles. Are you able to clear now? The first question, when we add this both 100 plus 10, 110 plus 30, we got 140. That is not equal to 90 degrees, right? Now exactly it should be 90 only. So that's why here it is not these 110 and 30 is not a pair of complementary angles. Understand? Now coming to third question, 80 and 10. Here these both the result is equal to 90 degrees. So that we can say these are pair of complementary angles. Are you clear? Now let's move to the second question. You can copy this both and first bit, second question you have to take it as homework. Now second bit. Find the complementary angles of the following. First one is 25, second is homework. Again, I'm going to explain the fourth we have to do. So odd number questions I was explaining, even number questions you have to do. Clear? So find the complementary angle. Find the one more question. What is a complement? So what is a complement of 25? So what is a complement definition? When we add two angles, then the result should be equal to 90 degrees. Isn't it? But here we add only one angle, so we don't know another angle. So what we have to do? We have to consider x. So whenever we are solving the problem, the unknown values we have to consider any variable, not only x, you can consider it as y, z, so on. Clear? Now, here what is the unknown value? 25 is one known value and one other. What is the complement of 24? Don't know. So first we are taking the complement. Let us consider the complement of 25 equal to x. So we don't know what is the complement of 25. We are considering it as x. Clear? Now what we have to do? If we add 25 days, how much we should get? 90. So 25 plus x equal to here connecting plus, because according to the definition, the sum of two angles should measure 90. Sum indicates addition. So we are connected with plus sign. Now x equal to, send this numerical value to this side. What will happen? Become minus 90 minus 25. X equal to 90 minus 25. So what is the 90 minus 25? Is that equal to 65. So x equal to 65 degrees. So what is the complement of 25? The complement of 25 is nothing but 65 degrees. Clear? Now next, same similar way, 89 degrees. So what is the complement of 89? First we don't know, so let us consider the n1 variable. Let us consider the complement of 89 degrees equal to x. So we don't know what is the complement of 89. We consider as x. Clear? Now what we have to do? We have to add this. Now 89 plus x equal to how much? 90. 89 plus x equal to 90. Now transpose this 89 to this side. What will happen? It becomes minus. So x equal to 90 minus 89. X equal to 90 minus 89 how much? 1 degree. So the complement of 89 is nothing but 1. The complement of 1 is nothing but 89. Here also the complement of 25 is 65. The complement of 65 is 25. Clear all of you? So here in the similar way, there are two more questions. That is second and fourth one. Second one is 40 degrees and fourth one is 55 degrees. You have to solve by your own. Okay. So, what is the third question? Look here. Two angles are complementary to each other. See the third question. Two angles are complementary to each other and also equal. Find them. So when we add two angles, when we add two angles, we should get 90 degrees. That is comes under complementary angles. But here what they say, two angles are complementary to each other and they should be equal. For example, we are taking 80 and 10. These both are complementary, but 80 and 10 was not equal, right? But in this question, what they said, you should take two angles. When we add those, compulsory we should get the result as 90 degrees and both the angles should be equal. So we don't know. So first I was drawing the figure. So this is nothing but right angle. Yes, it is nothing but 90, exactly 90. So complementary angle also will be exactly 90. These 90 degrees will be divided into two parts. It may be 50, 40, 80, 10, so on. Okay. So I was dividing this exactly because I said half no. Okay, here the measurement should be x. Here also the measurement should be x. We don't know what is the measurement. So x degrees I was considering. But when we add this both, compulsory we should get 90. So now, if we add this both, how much we should get 90 degrees. So first, x plus x equal to 90 degrees. Before x, what is the term? If any number is not the 1. Here also before x, any term is not there. 1. 1 plus 1. 1x plus 1x is nothing but 2x equal to 90 degrees. 2x equal to 90 degrees. So here we want only x value, right? What is the extra term here? 2. So what we have to do? Transpose 2 to the RHS. So x equal to 90 by 2. Because here this was connected with into sign. So when we transpose it will become division. Clear? Now 2 ones are 2 45. So x equal to 45 degrees. So what is the question? Two angles are complementary to each other. Means 45 and 45. So 45 plus 45 here we will get 90 and 45 complementary 45 only. That is the both are equal. Clear the concept? You can copy this. So according to along with the figure you have to copy this. Clear? Now next. Last question in this exercise. It is nothing but fourth question. So let me now. What is the fourth question? Let us see now. Manasa says each angle in any plane of you. Do you agree with this or not? Okay. One of the girl Manasa, she said that each angle in any pair of complementary angles always will be acute only. Do you agree with her or not? What is the, if you agree, what is the reason? If you not agree, what is the reason? Okay, let us find this. First, can you write some pair of complementary angles? Here I was taking few examples. You can take your own examples. Clear? So I was taking 40, 50, 60, 30, 20, 70. Okay, these three pairs I was considered. Clear? That means these pair of angles are complementary. How we can say this? Simple way. Add this 40 plus 50, 90. 60 plus 30, 90. 20 plus 70, 90. That indicates these three pairs are considered complementary. So now, what Manasa said? Manasa said that each pair of complementary angles is always acute. Each pair of angles means, let me take first pair. 40 degrees is acute or not? Yes. 50 degrees is acute or not? Yes. 60 degrees is acute or not? Yes. 30 is acute. 20 is acute. 70 is acute. So when we take angles, always it will be an each angle will measure. Yes, we agree with. What is the reason? Because when we add two angles, it should be 90 degrees. Understand? When we add two angles, it should be 90 degrees. So there is no other chance. If we take more than, if you take up this angle, already one angle measures at this angle. So they will, the pair angles of complementary angles, each angle always will measure the acute angle because the sum of two angles should be 90 degrees. Two angles when we add, it should be 90. So this is the concept of complementary angles. I repeat once again the definition. When the sum of two angles, when we add two angles, the measurement is equal to 90 degrees, then then they are said to be complementary angles. And these are the problems related to the complementary angles. In this, here just you have to write the reason in your notes. Clear all of you? So now you can unmute yourself and you may ask the doubts if you have anything. So I'm going to get clear to you. There is no time, just please.